OTA with OTA. Hello, my name is Otto. I am scientist, obviously, and welcome to my lab. My task today is to introduce an Erasmus Plus project OTA. OTA stands for Online Teaching Advancement. Project's whole name is Online Teaching Advancement Science Through Art. It aims to use art to overcome barriers to online learning of science subjects, obtain better learning outcomes, and engage in positive learning experiences. Different art forms can be used to introduce pupils to new types of online learning, achieve learning outcomes stated in the curriculum, and help reduce the feeling of social isolation. I prepared short videos where I'll explain what exactly this project is all about. Stay tuned and you'll learn more about it very soon.